My name is Abdul Luis. I'm here to dig deeper into Malaysia's first masterplan financial district, the Tun Razak Exchange, here at the heart of Kuala Lumpur. Join me as I discover TRX. Unlike structures built in the past, today's developments can truly leverage on ever-advancing technology, specifically smart technologies. Buildings, roads, water, trees, electricity, they all can be smart. But what does that actually mean?
Today, I'm going to find out how TRX will become a smart district, bringing in the right technology to TRX that will make this the workplace of the future. Let's go!
First stop is the TRX office. It's located here in Menara Prudential, the new Malaysian headquarters for the multinational insurance giant.
So, let's start with the big question. What is a smart district? Is it just using all the new technologies?
It is not just about the latest technologies. A smart city should respond to human needs and requirements. We believe that TRX should be safe, connected, sustainable, and fun. Let me show you, Luis.
Thank you.
To help us to get there, we need a comprehensive digital network infrastructure and devices, excellent user experience design, and efficient processes.
For an international financial district, TRX has to have a resilient digital backbone, one that is fully fiberized and scalable so it can continue to support growing data requirements in the future.
Luis, do you know that buildings, street lamps, and even waste bin here can be fitted with instruments to gather data to help us run the district more efficiently? For instance, they can help count the amount of people at a certain location, identify our resources on the ground, detect a faulty equipment, or flag water contamination.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of data to collect.
Yes, indeed. Data correlation from various sources then must be put together into meaningful information to help us make the right decisions. For this, we need a truly integrated platform.
Everything in the district will be linked via a central control system called the TRX Integrated Management System, or TIMS for short. This platform will oversee and monitor all TRX elements, from electricity to water, traffic flow to asset maintenance, fire safety to district-wide security.
You can get a complete overview of TRX operational status all at a glance. This means faster response times, better planning, and coordinated cross-system automation. Safety and security, for obvious reasons, is a high priority for us. We have a CCTV network and site-wide data analytics to help us quickly detect risks and deploy our security personnel to manage the situation.
To keep the 70 acres district safe, TRX adopts the CPTED, or Crime Prevention Through Environmental Design approach, which helps deter security threats. Fixtures such as bollards, intelligent cameras, and smart street lights help keep the area safe for pedestrians.
TRX is a porous district and is designed to be a social hub. So we need a comprehensive but non-intrusive security infrastructure to make sure that our community can continue to work and play here safely.
A lot of what's being implemented is actually hidden in plain sight. So to actually see the technologies in play, I was taken to the TRX Loop tunnel that connects to the smart tunnel that also happens to be a smart tunnel equipped with sensors and monitor that can survey the area.
The AID camera system, or automatic incident detection, is specific video analytics that can almost instantaneously flag any issues, whether it's fire, traffic jams, fallen objects, or even if there are pedestrian lost in the tunnel.
So you can then address issues as quickly as possible, right?
Correct. For example, if traffic is beginning to build up in a particular section, AID flags it. Then, the operators in the command and control center can immediately update all relevant digital signages in TRX and navigation apps to alert drivers.
I can see how this can quickly manage traffic.
TRX wants to make commuting in and to the district as easy as possible. To do so, they have also added another first for Southeast Asia. TRX have installed a Waze beacon system, so you get uninterrupted navigation even inside the TRX tunnels. The need for smart technology in the district does not come out of nowhere. Ultimately, it all comes down to supporting the human experience. What do people need? What will make their time in TRX as pleasant and productive as possible? To gauge what workers all over the world want, Savills has conducted a series of surveys to learn about the preferences of the workforce, especially with the changes brought about by COVID-19. They recently performed a similar survey in Malaysia to learn more about what workers here think the ideal workplace will be.
Hi, Nabil?
Hi, Luis. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. This is a really cool setup.
Yeah, it is. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Savills found that the workplace has evolved in the past few years, and hybrid work arrangements are becoming more popular.
We have seen the pandemic change the needs and requirements of the market, not just in Malaysia, but everywhere. Our survey shows that employees have expressed a clear concern about their health and safety and in achieving better work-life balance. For example, with hybrid working becoming a norm, a seamless connection between remote working and office is critical.
So, a good setup for video conferencing, good mobile coverage, and leveraging on other digital technologies?
Yes, and not only for remote working. Smart buildings nowadays can monitor and control air quality, for example, manage people flow, have touchless technology and other hygiene features that give comfort to employees. What smart technology does is that it brings together the right facilities by anticipating the people's needs.
Interesting. So what things should employers prioritize now?
In the future, it is not enough to just provide a place to work. You must also create a place that fosters creativity and collaboration, have the right amenities for a safe and conducive environment. The people that we surveyed ranked cafes, restaurants, gym, retail, and leisure facilities highly, as well as factors such as greeneries, open spaces, adequate lighting, and air quality.
And to this, TRX has an upper hand. The 70 acres district is not just going to be Malaysia's dedicated international financial district. It will also provide Kuala Lumpur with its new social hub, the Exchange TRX, which will have the best retail F&B offerings the size of the city. And amazingly, a 10 acres rooftop park. To best demonstrate what TRX means as a workplace, I have the privilege today to see for myself what HSBC's newly minted Malaysian's HQ looks like.
Hi, Millie?
Hi, Luis. It's so nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Welcome to Menara IQ. Come, let me show you around.
All right, let's do it. What an amazing building. I feel like I step into the future in here.
I'm so glad you feel that way. HSBC was looking for a new, modern, central destination surrounded by like-minded organizations. We wanted the new HQ to be environmentally sustainable, well connected with a host of amenities, and serviced by good transportation.
Right, your employees must be excited to move in here.
Oh, the feedback from our employees are so far been extremely positive. The well-being and work-life satisfaction of our employees was a critical factor in our decision to invest in TRX. Well, you know, the role of the head office is changing, and our employees require so much more than just a traditional office space.
Malaysia is a priority market for the HSBC Group globally, and the $250 million investment in HSBC Malaysia's new headquarters underscores the commitment to develop their business in the country.
As a leading global bank, digital infrastructure must have been a main factor when you choose TRX.
Yes, it was. Moving to the new HQ will play a significant role in strengthening our capabilities across retail and corporate banking to grow our business. With the right collaborative technology, we would be able to realize our new hybrid working model and deliver a better working experience for everyone. It will also provide an equitable setting, regardless of whether they are working remotely or in the office. And in line with the changes of our working culture, we have implemented new sustainable ways of working through digitization, reduction of paper consumption, adoption of digital signatures, and business process re-engineering activities.
Wow, new office, new way of work?
Oh, definitely. With regards to digitization specifically, we will continue to accelerate the pace of our digital innovation and grow our technology investments in a range of initiatives to make it easy for our customers to bank with HSBC and grow their business.
What I learned today is that smart systems in TRX functions like a backbone, unseen but responsive, flexible and essential in responding to real human needs and improving the quality of life. Most people won't even notice how hard it works.
Being smart also means it continues to learn from human behavior and environmental factors to predict patterns, so it can anticipate and adapt to the ever-changing needs of its users in the future. The smart technology here complements a master plan that balances what businesses require to prosper with the right support for evolving workers' needs.